Due to YouTube and the COPPA laws, if you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am back with part 2 or episode 2 in my Christmas in July How I Swap It series. So if you watched video 1, then you know what we're doing. If you haven't, I'll have that link down below, a playlist, so you guys can just catch up and see where we are. So in that first series was how I start, like the basic, the instructions, how I went through everything, how I plan my swaps when I do them. And then we made this sequin mix from start to finish. Like we mixed everything and I showed you guys how I make a sequin mix and it was a perfect match. Gosh, I love it. And we have a little bit extra to play with today. So so for part 2 or for episode 2, we'll be making the second thing that I'm going to make, which is the bows. So you know that I'm using a combination of Hey Santa and Merry Days, and this is like the ephemera that I cut out from the digital collection. So I've already picked out the papers that I'm going to use for my bows. So let me show you. I'm going to be using this Craft Perfect. It's from Tonic Studios. It's a mixed card gold stack, and it has this beautiful shimmery gold, this matte gold, and this shiny gold, and like this textured linen. But I know I'll run out of that probably before the swap is over. So my backup would be my Park Lane, the 6x6 paper pad. You get 8 sheets. This is from Joann's. And yeah, so when I run out of that, that's what I'm going to use. I forgot my train of thought. But these are the papers that I'm going to use. I just, I didn't want to do 4 bows of the same color and be, you know, just let that be it, like, oh, 4 bows, yay. So I wanted to kind of mix and match. So that's what I did. I chose different, they both belong to both paper stacks. And I thought this would look really, really cute on a bow. So I only need a little piece because I like this page. I think that'll be cute for something else. And then I'm going to go with the stars, something just like basic, a pink and a green to kind of tie in this one here. So I kind of pick out colors to kind of tie into this, you know, this one here that's a distraction, or it's a busy, not distraction, but it's busy. So I am going to be pulling in a little bit of this twine, this sequin twine that people found for me. So thank you so much. I forget who this one came from. I know I opened it. Somebody's child opened it up because she likes opening packages, but I can't remember who the person was, which it's not you, it's me for sure. And then in a recent Hobby Lobby haul, you guys saw that I bought this leaf. So depending on, you know, how things are looking, I will use one or the other or both. So we'll see. But that's it. I just wanted to have a little bit something extra to pizzazz my bows a little bit. And who knows, I may put a little dangle at the bottom. If I do, I'll be putting these cute little stars that I have. Let me grab them. So either I'll be putting on these little stars as charms, or you know what, I just might go with these little bells. So I mean, why not? I have a lot of those. So we'll see how that goes. I'll need to grab some jump rings really quickly here. All right, got my jump rings there and my utensils. Now we're ready to go. So the die that I'm using, again, this is a 2-in-1. I'm doing my swap. I'm sharing with you how I do my process, and it is another Alina Design Team project. I will be using this new bow that I just got. You guys saw the haul on Sunday of what this bow is. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this open. And then I believe these other two, I think this is where you can attach. I don't know, I'll have to cut it out, but maybe these both are a rip. And then I thought this was something like you can attach to the edge of something and make it like a box or something like that. So, but for now, we're going to use this bow, the bow die here. All right, so the way this bow works is there's a top layer. This is your wraparound layer, so that you can seal everything nice and neatly. And then this is an inner layer that you take out and put everything together. Okay. And I like to go through and just cut off or just bend off the little snippets that they attach, because sometimes it comes through on the die itself. So for my outer layers, I'm going to use gold. So the larger ones, it's going to be the gold cardstock. And I'm going to go with some pizzazz. Of course, we're going to do a little shimmer. So we're going to do 4 of these. I'm not going to mix and match it too much. So we'll do 4 of these. All right, so I have these cut out for my base. And then these cut out for the tails. Do those in gold. And then we'll see about the middle. I might just, you know, cut it with my scissors, just freehand. And then this one, we will just need to cut out the different papers. Okay. Put this back in my arsenal. And I'm just going to do 1 bow with you guys and then come back with like the packaging and all that, just to save on time and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to run this through my little diamond press machine here. We'll start out with that one. That there. And then I can also do, we can do a 3-in-1 right here. Put that in there, and then a base. And I don't discard these little bits because this is what I could use to either cut that out or use that for my middle. So I just leave those there. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm just going to grab my bone folder. I can give it a little curl. These are the tails of the bow. And then this is the out. And that's the end. Now, how cute is that? So we don't want to use hot glue on that. We want to use wet glue. Just to help it mold more or mold better. You're not bending no hot glue. I can tell you that right now. You might as well forget that one, Charlie. So I'm going to put this right on top of here. All right. So cute. That is so cute. And we're just going to roll these ends, kind of form them a little bit, holding it firm. Make sure you're not moving in the top or tearing it, being too rough. Okay. And then we're going to fold them under to meet the middle. You guys know how to do a bow. All right. Just line that up. And I'll go back in and with my pen and zhuzh up my corners. Okay, so this is what the bow looks like. Probably would be better with a, that's too big, with a double-sided piece of paper. All right, so I use this. Just careful not to poke through. And I'll just use this to kind of curl these and make them a little bit, you know, less pointy. All right, cute. So as far as this goes, this can go different. You know, you can put them like this if you want, or some people obviously put them like this. I think I'm gonna do that. I rather like it that way. So let's see. I'm going to just stick these together, see how far I want them in. That's good. I'm gonna add a little dot of glue. So we will go ahead and I will use my remnants here. Fit that in there like that. Give her a little cinched waist. Okay. And I'm actually going to put the tail in there as well. And glue the back. All right. This is what we have for the first bow. And then, so let's see. Let's test out what we want to do for the center. I keep saying we because we're doing this together, girls. And guys, we're doing this together. This is cute. Maybe if I wrap it around a bunch of times. Yes. This is so pretty. And then I'm just going to cut a little bit off. Oh, I was saying I was going to either do the bell or the stars. Nope, the stars is a different color golds, but the bells are not. Let's do the bells. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell. I'm going to put them on a jump ring first. Cute. All right. So I'm just going to slide this through here and then continue to wrap. All right. That was easy enough. They're so cute. I feel like I need to put like a gem or something in the center. I'm going to add these Paper Studio dots. They were gifted to me. So thank you so much, gifter. And that will finish. I will tie in all the things together. I think it's so cute. A little pink on there. So I'm going to do a little shake. Oh, I got to put a pop dot. I'm going to put a pop dot on the back. And now we're done. It's so cute. So I'm going to do the rest of these, come back, and then we'll finish up with the packaging. It's going to be simple packaging because I want everything to fit in the box. Everything's not going to be over the top, but it'll be simple packaging. So I'll see you guys for you in a second. But for me, it's going to be a bit. I got to finish the rest of these bows. Bye for now. All right, guys. I am all done with the bows, and they are so stinking cute. I just love them. They are so pretty. Really cute. Christmassy Jingle Bell bows. So, I have a little piece of acetate that I'm going to put these on, and they're going to go in like a little shaker bag. But first I need to like measure across how I want these to go. So kind of like I'm going to cut it at, see what 5.5 looks like. All right. I'm going to put these little removable dots on here so the recipient can just peel it off. It won't stick to this part, so I'll have to remove the pop dot back. But if they're ready to go, if they take this off, they're ready to go. So they won't mind the packing has been removed because they'll need it to adhere to whatever they're going to adhere to it anyway, right? Removable dot goes there. And then these are going to go, so cute. They're so cute. So these are going to go in a clear acetate shaker. Taking off the top of acetate is so rewarding. And then this is how we're going to stitch it up. Like so. Leave a little space to close it. Okay, so I have stitched the plastic piece together, the acetate. Cute little crochet stitching I did. Super simple. With my sewing machine, and then I'm just going to lay these in here just like this. We are almost done, guys. Bada bing. And then I'm going to throw, and I'm going to put some sequin in here. A little bit. All right, and then I'm going to seal. It's so cute. It's so cute. I do not want this one just stuck there. Just a little bit of something in there. And put a little bit more in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and seal this up. I'm going to leave a little tiny extra room so I can put a little eyelet in there. So I'll be right back. That is so cute. All right, I just had the worst coughing attack. So I'm going to put this little pink eyelet in here. That'll look so nice. I could leave it like this and be done with it, but it's going to add a little something extra to the package. And we run this eyelet through, just like that. And then we attach it to this top one, close it up. And oh my gosh, this is the cutest little thing. I'm gonna put that back in my little box there. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. You could even put like a to from or something in this little space. You don't have to put like this. There we go. Cute. And then I got a little sticker here. It says created by Scrap the World. I'm just going to put it in the back of this bow so you won't see it through the front. My partner can know where this came from. All right, guys, this is number 2. So we're done. That didn't take long at all. We are done with the first and the second sequin mix. See how versatile this paper is? So pretty. So with that being said, take my little paper, scratch out my bows, and we're done. Yes. Oh, gotta love it. This is so, so cute. Love, love, love. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have a moment, you could take a little second, hit that like button for me. Let me know what you think of this project. Are you following along with me? Are you doing Christmas projects with me? Are you doing Christmas in July with yourself or with somebody else? Leave that down below. I want to see what you guys are doing. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.